Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Xbox PC app party chat not connecting. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go on search and then you need to go to services. Then scroll all the way down until you see, as you can see here, Xbox services here. In my case, I have 4 services. So what you need to do here is to right click on one by one. Make sure startup type is automatic and make sure it's running. And then also restart it and do with all the services here. Go to properties, make sure startup tab automatic, running, and then restart it. Also here, automatic, running, and then this one as well, automatic, running. And then restart your PC and your problem should be fixed. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.